Today I am going to show you guys how to create an orange peel mask. This do-it-yourself mask is loaded with nutrients to protect the skin from free radical damage. It is amazing for treating acne scars, absorbing excess sebum from oil skin and nourishing the skin from inside and outside. As a result, good skin days. Yep. I have been so impressed with this mask. I haven't been using the remedy very long, just a few weeks, and I can say my skin is definitely brighter and firmer. I hope you guys enjoy this do it yourself video. It has been a while since we did this. Yes guys, it's been a while. Orange is not just for drinking the juice, but instead you can use orange for different things. I personally have excess oil on my eye band, and that's the reason why I love using this. And basically it has been working for me, and now I want you to try it and let me know on the comment section. So guys, if you buy 5 orange, drink 3 and then use the other 2 for your face, so that your face can look fresh and then beautiful. In this bowl I have some honey, and now I'm gonna add the orange peel. So I can use the tiny part, but it will take time, so I use the big part of this. Gently, you can use any grinder of your choice, and please peel it as much as you can. Just do a quantity that you can use for today or 2 days, because you can keep it in your fridge. I'm now gonna mix this. Yes, I'm gonna mix it to get a paste. After mixing it, I'm going to be applying this on my face. As you can see, I am applying it on my face by using the brush. You can use your hands if you want, but now I'm using brush to apply this. Apply this in a circular motion, so that don't be too fast. Just be gentle, because our face is very sensitive. So try to apply it in a circular motion, and let everywhere touch the mask. Then apply the mask everywhere, all over your face, around your neck, and so on. I am done applying this. I'm now going into the restroom to wash my face clean and come back here, guys. Now this is the results. Are you seeing my face? What is the difference between before and now? My face is looking flawless. My face is looking brighter than before. I hope that you guys are gonna try this and let me know what are the results. This junction, I'm looking so beautiful, and now my skin is so soft, and then wow. That's my body cream. I don't even have a facial cream, guys. If you have a facial cream, definitely you can use it. And basically you can also use oil like bio oil, almond oil, olive oil to apply on your face, because our face needs to be moisturized. So that's why I'm trying to make my face moist. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys will really benefit from this video. And guess what? Whenever you have 5 oranges in your house, try to use one and then brighten your face, and at the same time reduce excess oil. The reason why I make this mask is because I don't have oily face, but around my eye band I have excess oil. Sometimes if I just touch it, I will see like it's somehow oily. So I normally use this simple recipe, just honey and then orange peel, then you get what you want. Okay, see you guys in another video. Bye.